Hi, welcome back. In this video, what we're going to look at is taking something that's a Word document and translating that into another language. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I have open here, you can see a pre-algebra test as an example. And what I do is go up to the top and you want to click on Review. So up here at the top, you'll see a button that says Review. You want to click on that and then you want to go over to where it says Translate. And under the Translate, there's an arrow. You want to click on that down arrow there. There's a couple options you can see. If we want to translate the entire document, you would choose the first one here. Maybe you have just some selected areas or text that you want to have translated, you could use that. But I'm going to show you how to do the entire document, assuming that you wanted this document translated to this other language for the student. So what you would do is up here it's set as default, I think, in my case at least, to go right from English to Spanish. So you could go down here to choose translation language. And in that option, you can see I have a drop-down box right here. It says translate from English to another language. So I'm going to click on this drop-down box. And then you can see there are a bunch of different languages you could use here. Hopefully your language is in here. If it's not in here, then you're going to have to use an alternative method, which would be probably to copy and paste the text from the Word document into Google Translate. But let's say you had to translate it into another language like Italian. I could select that, I could hit OK, and now what I'm going to do is go back to where it says translate. I'm going to now you can see it's set to translate the entire document from English to Italian. I'm going to select that, and it's going to ask me if I want to translate this and send it to the internet, and that's okay. So you can hit send. A new window will pop open, and you can see now that this is translated into Italian. One thing that I found, if I take a document that has some pictures, the pictures don't always show up in the translation. So I'm going to show you that really quickly. I have this food chains, food webs, and energy pyramid worksheet. I'm going to hit translate, and again I'm going to keep it in the same language for this example. I'm going to send it to the internet. It's going to open up another web browser, and then the translation should be there. But notice that the pictures don't show up on this version. So when you're importing pictures, charts, graphs, those types of objects don't typically either show up or appear exactly the way you want them. So you have to experiment a little bit. And so if it's missing the pictures, not the biggest deal in the world, because you still have the English version and they can kind of compare where the pictures are, and they'll be able to see what the pictures are looking off the English version. And again, that's kind of helping them go back and forth between the languages. And that's really the objective, is to try to get them using English and combine with their native language. So we're going to try to slowly transition them to using more and more English. So that shouldn't be a big deal. And if you have to print out a copy like this, you can. So that's a fast way to do it in Word. It's under the Review tab. All right, hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. You can email me at kbollendorf@fleetwoodasd.org. And until next time, have a great day.